So we have a mission where no child in India should be deprived of education because of hunger. It's a pretty big vision, right? Because India is big, a lot of population, a lot of children out there. But I think it's totally possible to do that. My name is Vinod Sudhakar. I lead technology at Akshaya Patra. Our vision is how do we try and eliminate classroom hunger. 2.4 million children on a daily basis is being fed by Akshaya Patra and the staff there. We serve in about 22,000 schools. We have 8,000 employees, and Akshaya Patra is a public-private partnership firm. Every child whom we feed is waiting for the vehicle, Akshaya Patra vehicle, to come through at 12:30 every day. So there are only three things which are needed for that. One is government support. Then we have really good generous donations coming from donors, and we want to keep at it. And the third most important thing is technology. Our vision is to move to a 5 million meals by 2030. For us to scale to a 5 million, we definitely need technology. So what we're doing is we have implemented AI in two areas, two departments. One is the donor care operations, and we have got about 8,000 vendors whom we deal with, and that is another department where onboarding vendors is important. So we have implemented it there, and in fact about 60 to 70% of the work is already automated there, right? But what are we doing with the people? Because of our need, we are at about 77 kitchens now, and we are going to expand to 120 in the next few years. So we are looking to redeploy people in this expansion where other kitchens are coming up, and we are like, some of them have even been trained on Automation Anywhere, got certified on Automation Anywhere, and they are supporting some of the bots which are running right now. So there's no intention of letting go of people there. It's more about redeploying and upskilling. For some of these children, it's only one meal a day, and that is coming from Akshaya Patra. So you know what drives me to get to work every day.